primary colors. Let's paint. Hi, kids. Today we're doing a painting of a hamster. Let's have some fun. God is our creator. He lives in his kingdom up in heaven, and he wants you to know that there is no other God beside him. Genesis chapter 1, verses 20 to 25. And God said, "Let the waters bring forth abundantly the moving creature that hath life, and fowl that may fly above the earth in the open firmament of heaven. And God created great whales, and every living creature that moveth, which the waters brought forth abundantly, after their kind, and every winged fowl after his kind. And God saw that it was good. And God blessed them, saying, Be fruitful, and multiply, and fill the waters in the seas, and let fowl multiply in the earth. And the evening and the morning were the fifth day. And God said, Let the earth bring forth the living creature after his kind, cattle, and creeping thing, and beast of the earth after his kind. And it was so. And God made the beast of the earth after his kind, and cattle after their kind, and everything that creepeth upon the earth after his kind. And God saw that it was good. What is a hamster? A hamster is a small, furry animal that is often kept as a pet. They are part of the rodent family, which means they are related to mice and squirrels. Hamsters are known for their cute little faces, chubby cheeks, and tiny paws. Hamsters love to eat seeds, grains, fruits, and vegetables. They also like to nibble on special hamster food that you can buy at pet stores. One of the cutest things about hamsters is that they have pouches in their cheeks where they can store extra food to eat later. Fun fact, hamsters have really good hearing and a great sense of smell. But their eyesight isn't very strong. They use their whiskers to feel their way around. Hamsters need to run and exercise to stay healthy. So many pet hamsters have a wheel in their cage that they can run on. They also like to explore and play, so giving them toys and tunnels is a great way to keep them happy. Hamsters usually live for about 2 to 3 years. Even though that's not a very long time, they can bring a lot of joy and fun to their owners during their lives. Do hamsters like company? Hamsters can be very friendly with people, but they usually like to live alone in their cage. Some types of hamsters prefer to be by themselves, while others can live in pairs. It's important to learn what your hamster likes best. How to take care of a hamster. Make sure your hamster's cage is clean and has fresh bedding. Give your hamster fresh food and clean water every day. Spend time playing with your hamster, but be gentle. They are small and can get scared easily. Keep the cage in a quiet place where your hamster can feel safe. Why are hamsters great pets? Hamsters are great pets because they are small, easy to take care of, and fun to watch. They are also very curious and love to explore their surroundings. If you treat your hamster kindly, it can become a good friend.